Hello folks, the channel recently crossed over 10,000 subscribers. That's amazing, thank you very much. And I really appreciate all of you giving your time up to watch the channel, to watch the videos all the time. And a couple of people I want to mention, Spike Bike, Gil, Jim Graham, to mention a few. There are actually quite a few people. I really do appreciate that you always comment, and such really good comments, really good quality comments too. Thank you very much. And I thought I'd have a little party. Beautiful. Cheers, folks. Beautiful.